Good day. We are Team 4. This is our PIA. Our topic is air pollution. Our team members are Samantha Gonzalez, Fernanda Barajas, Vanessa Torres, Frida Díaz de León, Paulina de la Fuente, and myself, Pedro Andrew Cortez. We hope you like our presentation.
So first we have what is air pollution? And air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. These can be caused by different things such as car emission, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen, and mold spores. And it may be suspended as particles. It can also be ozone, a gas that is major part of air pollution in cities, sorry. And when ozone forms air pollution, it can also be called smog.
Then we have some effects this air pollution may affect us as humans. Air pollution can cause headaches, dizziness, and nausea. Long-term health effects from air pollution include heart disease, lung cancer, and respiratory diseases such as emphysema. Microscopic pollutants in the air can slip past our body's defenses, penetrating deep into our respiratory and circulatory system, damaging our lungs, heart, and brain. Then we have some of the effects on the environment. The constant pollution of air has very negative effects on nature and on human health, as we saw already. Those long-term and medium-term effects have become problems that are very difficult to solve. Some of the problems are global warming, climate change, acid rain, smog effect, deterioration of the fields, and extinction of animal species.
Okay, so now we have the problem statement, the thing we're going to solve. Okay, so we based our information on the World Health Organization declared that Monterrey was the most polluted city in Mexico, and the agency's report indicates that the air pollution is measured based on concentrations of small particles less than 10 micrometers, PM10, and fine particles less than 2.5 micrometers, PM2. Thus, Monterrey is the most polluted city in the country, as it is reported as a concentration of 86 PM10 and 36 PM2. So that's what we want to change. As we can see, our city is pretty polluted. Just like 5 years ago, the most polluted city in Mexico was Mexico City, and now in 2 years or like in 3 years, we are in first place. So we want to change all of that.
Now, as we can see, we have a graphic that tells us the pollution sources in our city, which is Monterrey. The first is the industry with an 8.1%. Then we've got construction, which is 12.8%. Then we've got the greater value, which is the vehicles with a 77.8%. And finally, we've got the natural sources, which is 1.3%.
So starting with the solution, the most basic solution for air pollution and the most popular is to move away from fossil fuels, replacing them with some alternative energies like solar, wind, and geothermal. Also, producing clean energy is very important and very crucial, but equally important is to reduce our consumption of energy by adopting responsible habits and using more efficient devices.
Then we've got the 10 best ways to reduce air pollution. The first one is using public transports. The second one is turn off the lights when not in use. The third one is recycle and reuse. The fourth one is not to use plastic bags. The fifth one is reduction of forest fires and smoking. The sixth one is use of fans instead of air conditioner. The seventh one is to use filters for chimneys. And the final one is to avoid usage of crackers.
So as a conclusion, we have that we must take care of our actions to reduce the air pollution that our city, Monterrey, is being affected with. We have to do our part so that the situation can be improved and be better in the future. So this is our references, and we hope you like our presentation. Thank you.